What is going on, you two people? Been a while, huh? Cheers to you. Yep, I'm still here. What's going on? I'm just doing a steak on the Teq Bullseye. I just wanted to do a quick shot, say what's up and show you. I love this grill, man. If you guys are in the market for a grill, all-purpose grill, this thing kicks ass. Gets up to like 749 degrees in 10-15 minutes. After they finally sent me a new controller. The first controller was a problem. Now it's kick ass. Love this grill. But that's just saying hi, what's up? Hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody's staying alive and all this kind of shit. You know what I'm saying? All good here. I'm just doing, not really a cooking video, just like I said, just saying, hey, what's up? Cheers. Just got this like 1-inch thick New York strip boneless. I'm gonna do it on the sear grates. I always do mistakes on the sear grates on the Bullseye. And I got a baked potato with olive oil and kosher salt on it. It's gonna go in the microwave. Easy, done, bam. That's it. But yeah. That's what we're working with. I'm just letting it come to room temperature, and then I'll fire the grill up here in a minute. Alright, let's talk about the pellets for a minute. For the Bullseye anyway. I love lumberjack. They're my go-to for slow smoking, slow cooking. They have a great flavor, all the different flavors. But they weren't getting up to as high a temperature on that Teq, on the Bullseye, I mean. For whatever reason, they wouldn't do it. You know, I thought, man, there's nothing wrong with these pellets, you know. They're lumberjack, right? Anyway, it would only get, even after the new controller I put in, it would only get to, I don't know, 600 and something. Maybe 600. But I bought a bunch of these, these are absolute garbage, I think, for slow cooking. The flavor smells like wax, you can smell it. But for high temperature, quick go-to hamburger steaks and stuff like that on the Bullseye, they're perfect because they get up to temperature real quick. Probably all the wax in them. I'm telling you, you can smell wax when you burn them. But like I say, when you're cooking stuff on the hot and fast, you know, you're not going to get much smoke flavor to it anyway. So, but they work great for the high heat. Other than that, I wouldn't piss on them. You know what I mean? Everybody talks about the Bear Mountain. They're garbage. These were like $3 something a bag at Rural King. So I loaded up on them. I wish I'd bought the whole pallet looking back, but I didn't know how they were going to be. But it turns out they work great on the Weber or the Teq Bullseye for the millionth fucking time. When I run out of these, I probably got plenty of, like 10-12 bags of these left. I'll try a different brand to see how they do, but but they do get hotter than the lumberjack. That's all I'm telling you. I will try the lumberjack again probably, but for the price I paid for those, they work great. So that's all I had on that. So the pellets do make a difference. If you're not getting it up to temperature, try a different pellet, a different brand. All right, check it. I got the little bucket to clean the grill out with, but I just cleaned it. I got a stainless steel grate I bought for it. And then I got some sear plate grates on here. Full of pellets. So I'm going to do a little timer here to show you how long it takes to get the temperature. Got on Riot. Get this to show the temperature. Show you how quick it gets up to temperature. Alright, here we are, 12 and a half minutes in. We just hit 500. 515. And I just cleaned it and put a handful of pellets in the fire pot, so that's going to make it act different than it normally does. Usually it's quicker. So say by 15 we'll be up there. She's hot. She's hot. Hey Google, turn off the dining light.
Sure, turning off the fucking dining light.